Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the iPhone 16 Pro Max ready. First, enable ProRes in Settings camera formats, then toggle Apple ProRes on. Once done, make sure your iOS is current and your battery is above 50% so recording won't stop. Check available storage because ProRes files are large. Choose 4K or 1080 based on space. Now open the camera app and switch to video mode. You'll use the ProRes badge to confirm you're capturing the higher quality codec. Once ProRes is active, decide on resolution and frame rate, 4K for archival quality, 1080p for smaller files. You should lock exposure and focus. Tap and hold to set AE/AF lock and nudge exposure with the sun icon. For advanced control, use a third-party app like FileMyC Pro to adjust shutter, ISO, and record levels. It lets you monitor waveform and false color. Also disable low power mode to prevent performance caps. And consider airplane mode. When you're done filming, review your ProRes clips in photos and trim non-essential sections to save space, but keep originals for color grading. Export using AirDrop for short clips, or connect via USB to import into Final Cut Pro or DaVinci Resolve for post-production. These NLEs preserve ProRes quality. If ProRes is grayed out or won't record, restart the phone, free up storage, update iOS, and ensure low power mode is off. These steps fix the majority of issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.